In a world where roads are endless and dreams ride on two wheels, one machine emerges from the mist of anonymity, roaring not just with the hunger for miles, but with the spirit of rebellion. This isn't a whisper in the wind. This is the cry of the streets, the growl of grit, the silent warrior now shouting with fire in its core, the Loncin CR5. If you thought budget bikes had nothing to say, if you believed performance could only be bought with a heavy wallet, then let this be your wake-up call. Because the CR5 doesn't knock gently, it kicks the damn door open. From the moment you swing a leg over it, the CR5 introduces itself like a silent storm. No unnecessary flash, no false attitude, just a raw, urban fighter ready to take you anywhere the city or the highway dares you to go. With a 150cc air-cooled single-cylinder engine that thumps with confidence, the CR5 delivers a precise balance of power and practicality. It churns out enough grunt to dart through chaotic city traffic and still has the legs to stretch out on the open road. It's not just about horsepower, it's about heart. The engine breathes through a refined carburetor setup that's tuned for crisp throttle response. Loncin didn't just build an engine, they built a soul you can feel in your bones with every twist of the wrist. And make no mistake, this is no fragile beauty. The chassis is built tough, forged to handle daily grind and occasional aggression. The diamond-type frame gives it the backbone of a beast, allowing the suspension to do its job with grace. The front telescopic forks and rear monoshock aren't just functional, they're surprisingly refined, soaking up potholes and imperfections like a bike born for resilience. It handles like a whisper in the wind, smooth, responsive, and never overthinking your input. Whether you're slicing through corners or riding flat out in a straight line, the CR5 holds its composure like a fighter trained for balance. Now let's talk about design, the one thing that instantly separates a machine from mediocrity. The Loncin CR5 isn't trying to be someone else. It's not mimicking Japanese giants or pretending to be Italian exotica. It carries a visual identity that blends maturity with menace. The angular fuel tank, the crisp body lines, the sculpted seat, it's all tight, sleek, and aggressive in just the right way. The blacked-out engine, contrast stitching on the seat, and smart graphics give it a street-smart aura. It's the kind of bike that doesn't scream, but still makes everyone turn to look. And here's where it really punches above its class. The CR5 comes equipped with features you'd expect on a higher price bracket. You get a digital analog combo meter that displays speed, fuel, gear indicator, and trip info with crystal clarity. The electric start is crisp and instant. The front disc brake gives precise bite, while the rear drum does its part with predictable feel. It's built for daily abuse, with a reliability that grows on you day by day. Every switch, every lever, every weld whispers one word: commitment. Loncin didn't cut corners, they sharpened them. Now let's talk numbers, the price. Because the real shock isn't in the ride, it's in what you pay for it. In most Asian markets, the Loncin CR5 comes in at a price that undercuts most of its Japanese and Indian rivals. It sits in that golden pocket where performance, efficiency, and affordability meet like long-lost brothers. For what you pay, you're getting a machine that doesn't compromise, you're getting value sculpted into steel and rubber. This is not a cheap bike, it's an intelligent buy. It respects your wallet while demanding respect on the road. Fuel economy. Let's just say the CR5 sips fuel like a monk at a tea ceremony. You can expect over 40 to 45 km/h in real world city conditions, and even better on highways if you ride smart. It's built to go far without stopping. And in a world where fuel prices rise like thunder, the CR5 moves like lightning, fast and light. But what truly makes this bike unforgettable isn't on the spec sheet. It's in the ride. It's in the way it connects with the road, the way it becomes part of your rhythm. It's not trying to be a super sport or a cruiser, it's just trying to be your perfect daily weapon. And in that role, it absolutely dominates. This is the kind of bike that creates believers. Once you ride it, you'll question why you ever paid more. And for the riders who love secrets, the CR5 has a few hidden tricks. The seat is more comfortable than it looks, ideal for longer rides. The grab rails are perfectly placed for pillion comfort. The exhaust note, especially after a few thousand kilometers, develops a throaty hum that's borderline addictive. And here's the wild card. This bike responds beautifully to upgrades. A better exhaust, sportier tires, or even clip-ons, and suddenly, you've got a cafe racer vibe for a fraction of the cost. In the world of motorcycles, everyone wants to be loud, but only a few speak the truth. The Loncin CR5 doesn't raise its voice, because it doesn't need to. It delivers on the promise of freedom, reliability, and thrill without any drama. It doesn't care about badges or brand snobbery, it only cares about how far you're willing to ride and how deeply you want to fall in love with every single gear shift. This bike is a reminder that greatness isn't always about being the fastest or the most expensive. Sometimes, it's about showing up every day, starting on the first push, carving the city like a blade, and taking you to the edge of sunset without breaking a sweat. The Loncin CR5 is built for those who ride not just for speed, but for the sheer joy of movement, for the story written with tires and time.